In this video, I'll show you how to use Mailchimp to send bulk emails with personalized content. First, click on link in description to get free trial on Mailchimp. Choose a plan based on the number of contacts you have. Once you've signed up, check your email to confirm your account. Answer a few questions to set up your account. Now, let's create a bulk email. Click Create in the top left corner and select Regular Email, since this email will be sent once to your entire list. Design your email by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Add your logo, content, and personalize it with your recipients' names, available in Pro plans. To send the email, ensure all steps are correct and your email list is selected. Click Send in the top right corner to send the bulk email. That's it. You now know how to use Mailchimp to send bulk emails. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.